Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we diving deep into a name you've probably heard a million times if you're interested in AI Hugging Face. So, what exactly is it? Think of it as the ultimate playground for artificial intelligence. It's an open source platform that has totally changed the game for natural language processing, or NLP. With over 4 million active users every month, it's the go-to place for developers, researchers, and even huge companies to build and deploy advanced AI applications. At its core, Hugging Face provides access to over 2 million models and 500,000 datasets, making tasks like text generation, sentiment analysis, and machine translation easier than ever before. For many, it's slashed development time by up to 70%. But it wasn't always this massive AI hub. Founded back in 2016, Hugging Face actually started as a chatbot app for teenagers. It was only in 2018 that they pivoted to focus on the underlying AI infrastructure. The real turning point came in 2019 with the release of their open-source Transformers library. This library became the foundation for so much NLP research and development. From there, the growth has been explosive. By 2022, the company was valued at $2 billion, and by 2024, that number soared to a staggering $4.5 billion. With big names like NVIDIA, Google, and Intel jumping on board as investors, today, it's a cornerstone of the generative AI world. So how does it all work? Imagine a modular pipeline. First, you access a model from the Hugging Face hub. Think famous models like BERT or Llama. You can then fine-tune it on specific datasets to make it better at a particular task. Next, the platform processes your input, whether it's text, an image, or even audio, using specialized tools called tokenizers. Finally, you can deploy your model for real-world use through their inference API or endpoints, which handle all the heavy lifting in the cloud. They even have tools like Gradio and Spaces that let you build and share interactive demos of your AI models in just a few minutes. It's this all-in-one community-driven approach that makes it so powerful. The applications are practically endless. In academia, researchers use it to fast-track experiments. In healthcare, it's powering medical chatbots and analyzing patient data while maintaining privacy. Big companies use it for everything from customer service bots to content moderation, cutting their costs by half. It's even used in education to teach the next generation of machine learning experts and by content creators to generate text and images. With over 200,000 organizations using the platform, it's clear that Hugging Face is making a real-world impact across every industry. It's really democratizing AI, bringing powerful tools that were once only available to a select few, to everyone. But this open approach isn't without its risks. Because anyone can access these models. There are concerns about privacy violations from public datasets or models amplifying existing biases. For instance, some models can show up to 15% inaccuracy when dealing with diverse contexts. There's also the potential for misuse, like generating misinformation. On top of that, training these massive models requires a ton of computational power, which can be expensive. This is why ethical guidelines and responsible use are so important. Hugging Face encourages users to use private hubs for sensitive data. It's carefully fine-tune models to reduce bias and always verify the outputs. It's a shared responsibility to ensure this technology is used for good. Looking ahead, Hugging Face isn't slowing down. They're expanding into more complex areas like video and 3D data. And they're working on making their tools even more user-friendly for non-experts. The goal is a unified, accessible AI development platform for everyone. While it faces competition from giants like OpenAI and Google, Hugging Face's unique strength lies in its open-source community-first ethos. It's a powerful example of how collaboration can drive innovation. It empowers millions to build, share, and learn, but also reminds us of the critical need for governance and ethics as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. So, that's Hugging Face in a nutshell, a revolutionary platform that has truly put the power of AI into the hands of the many. What do you think about its impact? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.